This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Dan Henson. The Juniper by Me Homes in Promenade Estates offers 3,651 square feet of open concept living with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a den, bonus room, and 3-car garage. The first floor features a private den, powder room, laundry, and extra storage. The open living area includes a great room, formal dining, and a gourmet kitchen with a large island, cooktop, and wall oven. The covered lanai with a private, caged pool and outdoor kitchen is perfect for entertaining. The main floor owner's suite offers privacy with dual vanity, large shower, soaking tub, and walk-in closet. Upstairs, a bonus room overlooks the living area, alongside a tech center and 3 bedrooms with walk-in closets. One bedroom has a private bath, while the others share a dual sink bathroom. Promenade Estate is close to beaches, shopping, the Legacy Trail, quick access the I-75.